Hi guys, hope you all are safe in following shutdown. Because studies have been started through online portals, and my last video was based on how to use online portals easily and safely. And today's topic is very effective for those who are really searching ideas to score high, and my video would be the part of this. Let's learn about effective session tips. Formula of high score in exams is here. See the video plus follow equals to high score.
Number 1 is select a good place and environment. Everyone moves in different environments. The most important thing in education is to choose your place of study, so first of all choose your place of study. Then create an atmosphere of the place that works well for you. By the environment, you should close your desk, so that only the necessary items for that subject are in your place. So that you can focus on the same subject, and your mind does not divert. And if you want to unexpectedly adjust the location, it depends on you.
Clear your mind. It doesn't mean the flush out of last study session. It means take a break between two sessions and calm your mind, as well as ready to the next one.
Number 2 is clear your mind. Take a few minutes to clear an image of the clouds that resides in our mind, along with the subjects you read before starting your study session. Let him close his eyes, take a deep breath and think about the new topic. Within minutes you will be able to create the right headspace for what you want to study. And if you are switching between subjects, taking a minute to clarify your concentration will help prevent you from arguing about the calculation problem through which you are working, so that you do not inadvertently write an equation in your history manuscript.
Almost happens when you start your studies. If really feel, then eat very light, which will help in increasing your energy levels, not feel you sleepy.
Number 3 is solid good snacks. Even if you are studying, you feel like eating something like junk food, or kind of junk food. But when you are studying, ignore food and focus your attention only on studies. If you are eating something right, some of such deprivation will not make you sleepy. And along with it will be very light, and eating which will help in increasing your energy levels.
Next one is drink fluids frequently. Yes, mostly. You can drink water. Not frequently, but 1 or 2 cups tea or coffee in session only.
Number 4 is drink fluids frequently. There is a general awareness that 250 milliliters of water 8 times a day will help you stay healthy. But did you recognize that it can benefit you to stay focused too? Many studies have found that drinking water can boost brain function and benefit your brain function more quickly, which this in turn will help you to be vigilant and remember more information. Drinking water will help you revitalize and stay alert during your study session. Caffeine is very good, and for many peoples, it is an essential part of any study session. But it is important to remember that if you study caffeinated and you get into it, then you may get upset due to lack of it during any of your exams or competition tests. You take caffeine but do not become its addict.
Next one is take a break and good music that activates your mind. Like soundtrack, video game music, instrumentals, but never should be voice songs.
Number 5 is good music? Most students like to listen to some music in between reading, which is good. But did you recognize that there are some specific types of music that can correct your brain's performance? Such as listening to some soundtracks and video game music, etc. have been confirmed to increase your attention. Any voice music should be avoided.
Go through your notes as soon as possible after class. In session, you write down yourself your own notes and after class go through them. Once, you never slip your mind after this.
Organize your all notes. Organize all your notes as correct identification. This can be extremely beneficial for you. This not only creates information to consider in order to find information, but it teaches your brain to follow a design and is a fast way to retrieve information. So fixed a system of colors, food, tabs, bullet facts. Do whatever works for you and integrate your notes. Number 7 is mindset counts. If you have made up your mindset that I cannot read these subjects properly, and if you express yourself that you do not want to live anywhere, or you do something that you do not have good according to you, then you will get more of a habit of being entertaining. This means that you are scared of yourself, and you are doing the same for study or education. It is not that you cannot do it. You can. Of course, you have made your mindset according to your ease. Once you change your mindset, you can do this, and then try with your new mindset. You have to forget your old mindset, then see how it works.
Go through your notes as soon as possible after class. In session, you write down yourself your own notes and after class go through them. Once, you never slip your mind after this.
Number 8 is go through your notes as soon as possible after class. If you only got out of an hour lecture, and you have to make another contact in 10 minutes, but taking a few minutes to evaluate your notes right after the class can help stick new information to your concentration. The information will certainly not be as fresh, because even after it is correct you educate it, so use it to your advantage. Useful hints: if you handwrite all the notes of the topic when you have studied in class, it can help you remember the information and further your memory, then type them well on that day. By doing this you will get an automatic mini-study session, and you will also have the experience of studying the notes and self-made notes from anywhere, and once you get used to it, you will do better than those topics.
Next and the last is follow these tips genuinely and you'll be the high scorer. No one can stop you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like, please share, subscribe, comment, like, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.
How did you like Hug? You must share your experiences. Thank you.